shoes, work shoes, normal shoes, Docs all day, which is totally, you know, free and like not tight at all. What is this?
Oh yeah.
Coppers? What's going on? I wouldn't be going that way,
I
mate.
don't know. Oh yeah, some sort of a kid's bike thing. Oh.
Turn left after 250 metres onto Coventry Street.
And we just fucking kill everyone to make sure.
Alright.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
Take a photo! Over the line, like he's overtaking over the lines.
Triple M's Rush Hour with Liesl Jones, Liam and Tomo.
And Triple M Breakfast with Marno, Margo and Dan currently putting their old games together at the moment. And he reckons, have you got a boat and you love your fishing, he was telling me. I didn't know this part about you.
Yeah, I've got a boat on my side.
Oh, nice work, classic pools.
I'm trying to get
Classic
out of the
move.
water. Yeah.
Genius bit of driving.
Almost as good as this one.
Oh, a bit of finger action. Love a bit of finger action.
I turn now. Good luck, everybody else.
Have you seen them feral cats? Yeah, hundreds of feral cats, and they're very big. How big? So, big cats, and you see them, so when you go out, you'll see cats. Definitely no fucking break. Oh.
You can't park that there, mate.
I'm Slim Wolskowitsky. I've got a big truck.
Another one for the day.
Where'd it go?
Oh, he ran it too.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only
Do I look like I need a psychological evaluation?
Not at all.
Oh, oi, got him.
Did he just hit the person?
Yeah.
See that? Cop standing there on the tree with a speed camera. Well, that was illegal. Look at this, will you? Don't blame them.
Kilometers.
Amazingly stupid.
Stop it. Get some help.
Whoa, you fucking numbnuts.
That way.
What are you doing? Dickhead?
It's just what? Yes, you do.
No.
Back off! Back off! No,
fucking idiot. Even though the 80 is flashing, there's a sign right there that says keep left unless overtaking. But no, we're not going to do that. We're just going to sit next to him. Oh, hang on. We actually got there. Now just keep in mind, he's not going to move over because that's un-Australian. What we do here is when clearly the person behind you, or persons, are irritated that you're not keeping left, we speed up, but we don't ever move over.
target. Maximum fire.
SUV, saving money on every trip. Call Bridgestone Select Tyre and Auto on 131229 and go with confidence. Conditions apply.
At Bunnings Truck.
Picture.
Up your fucking ass!